my channel. So today's video is a haul video. A haul video is always interesting and exciting because you guys get to see new brands that I'm exploring. Hi, this is Janie Gandhi. I'm an image consultant, a style curator and a sustainable style advocate. On this channel, we talk about real, relatable, wearable styling ideas and a little bit about me. Now, every time I think of doing a haul, I don't want you guys to feel ki whatever you see sab buy kar lete hai. Or rather, not just me, anyone's haul that you see, the idea and the intention shouldn't be that you want to buy everything. With these hauls, I am not promoting you buying everything. बहुत सी बार repeat कर रही हूँ because I am always conscious कि all these hauls that I do, I don't want that people were like, oh, this is nice, that is nice, that is nice. I would in fact say that go through these hauls, then go to my Instagram post and see how many times I'm wearing those pieces. And then if that particular piece really catches your eye, then go and buy it. That okay, you also know 100 different ways to wear it. Okay, 100 is a far fetch. You need to wear it minimum 30 times for it to be sustainable. Okay, so don't just go and buy things whenever you see in a haul. And the haul video that I did last time, I'm adding them here. So let's get back to today's haul. As usual, I have divided the haul into clothing and accessories. So I'm going to start with clothes first. So the first item of clothing is this hooded crop top, part of a loungewear. I love the abstract print on it. It's like, you know, throw of colors and the nice beige color, so it can go with a lot of things. I am not a fan of the fabric. It's polyester. I thought it's going to be like a cotton blend because it's loungewear, but I'm not a fan. But I love the crop top style. In fact, I'm shooting a lookbook on crop tops that women, you know, who are conscious of their body can wear. So this one is a great crop top. If you're slightly heavier on the midriff or on the bust, this one works well. It's not too tight anywhere. So I like the crop top. I also bought matching pants. So they are a set. And this is a size M, and even this one is a size M, but because I'm heavier on the lower body, this is snugly fitted on the thighs. I'm going to show you how it looks. But I wanted a set, and that's why I picked these two together, but this I'll be returning back because the polyester doesn't feel good on the legs. Not that I don't buy polyester pants, but I'm not convinced. Maybe I'll go to Zara and see if they have a size L and try and see if it feels nice, but for now size M doesn't feel nice and I don't want to keep things that I'm not going to wear. When it comes to fast fashion or sustainable brands, I always say that the most sustainable piece is the one that you already own. So I am conscious when I buy from fast fashion brands, and since it's a Zara piece, I'm extremely conscious that I don't want to buy just because it's cheap or just because it's on sale. I want to buy and make sure that I wear it like to death. If not, then I'm going to return this back to Zara. The next one are these denims that you see. They are my absolute favorite. And if you are not following me on Instagram, then you have this question as to why are they special. But the denims are absolutely perfect. It's the Toy Story collection. As you can see, the back pocket is the Toy Story. And then, you know, this whole loose style, which is like a balloon pant style, which is looser on the hips. So if for hotter countries like Singapore and for places like Mumbai where it's hot and humid, these pants are not going to stick to your body and they just give you that breeze and ease. I have done a whole styling video with loose pants and I'm going to link that up here. See if that helps you because loose pants are absolutely here to stay. The next one is this top from Zara again. Yeah. This one. This is a pleated style. I actually wanted to buy the pant and the top together to make it feel like a jumpsuit thing, but the pant was sold out, but I still wanted to buy the top. The top I have bought not to be worn with denims, but to be worn with saris. Now pleated things are generally expensive and I don't wear saris so much. So I thought I'll buy something which is, you know, which I'm just going to wear like 2 or 3 times a year. So I don't want to spend a bomb on it. But this one will last me for so many years. It's a nice deep V neck and with sari it's alright. You know, I can cover it with the palla. I'm not comfortable wearing such deep necks. I do wear deep necks but not such deep necks with just denim or skirts. So this one's good. I also feel that if you stay in colder countries, then you can do like a turtleneck and full sleeves and this will still look nice. So I like this one. The next one is this dress from Maisha's new collection. Maisha is a Singapore-based sustainable homegrown label, and they have this nice, it's a simple A-line dress. What I like about this dress obviously is the color. I'm not someone who enjoys pink so much, but this one speaks to me. Now, what I absolutely like about this dress is the big polka dots here, and then this continuation of horizontal stripes, diagonal stripes, and small, small polka dots. It's not like pin dots, but just a medium-sized dots. So I like this whole play of print with the same color, and I love the cut and the finish. It's so perfect for summer. So this one I am obviously keeping because I've also worn it a couple of times. The next one is this Ikat kaftan dress from this brand called Planters Bungalow, again in Singapore. It comes in single size, so if you are in Singapore or even if you are outside of Singapore and you want to order this, it's a nice piece. I can also imagine wearing something like this with boots and hats, for even like slightly cooler places. I like this one, but I feel that I want to go darker color. I'm generally not comfortable with slightly something that is transparent. It's not that transparent, it's just that I feel, so I'm gonna wear this once in the sun and then decide to keep or not. But I have a feeling that I want to go darker color. They have a blue and a white as well, like a dark blue and a white, so I'm gonna do dark blue and a white. So those were the clothes. No shopping haul is complete without Janie discussing about jewelry. Okay, this time I have like every time I think I go crazy on jewelry, but this time I have this piece that I ordered from India by Ritika Sachdev. So yeah, this is the set that I ordered from Ritika Sachdev, and I'm not joking, I already have this from her. I recently did this 10 to 12 boho looks. It's a bummer I couldn't get this in time. I would have included them. It speaks to my boho soul. So this one's absolutely amazing. All jewelry pieces, when I have, you will hear me say absolutely amazing, because I might not be in love with my clothes so much as I'm in love with jewelry. Okay. This one is a showstopper. In fact, I have this old iPad box in which I stock this because the box is quite sturdy, and this piece is a showstopper. Just look at this. Someday I want the guts to just wear like a bralette and this one, and then wear a sari. So all the cleavage area will be covered by the necklace. I should get a photo shoot of it done just for self appreciation. I don't know, but I love this. It looks so stunning. Pata nahi kahan pehen kar jana hai. There is no event, there is no occasion, there is no Navratri, there is no Diwali. But it's gorgeous. If not this year, then next year I will wear it. Now this whole thing is gifted by Runway Nagaland. Do you remember those Golu bangles that I wore? Those spiral gold ones? I'm adding it here. These bangles got sold out in a month of me putting on Instagram, and they are a showstopper, stunning pieces. So this time they sent me these pieces as a gift, and again, showstoppers. I think Runway Nagaland is so nice. Okay, so this one's the first one. Oh, wait, is it? Generally, everything is like this, and then it's a normal one, but this is different because it falls and it's nice. Any plain dress or any plain top, and it's gonna look extremely gorgeous. I'm gonna show all these pieces how they look, okay? Then the next one is simple one, nice color, and it will become a choker. So I can't wait to pair this with like creating a layer with something, but I like this. Last but not the least, I got two Apple Watch straps from a place called Lazada. So this is my strap, which is an actual Apple Watch. I mean, I bought this from the Apple store, and then because the color's gone, it's a year old, so I bought this one from Lazada. I am not joking when I say this, and I feel very bad to say this, but if I put both the straps together, I'm not joking, you will not know which one's an Apple strap, which I spent around $60, and which one's from Lazada, which I spent $4. My point is, I wouldn't want to like invest in, because I was not sure how the quality is, but I saw this with a friend and the quality was really nice. And I'm like, what's the point of spending $60 when I'm going to discard this in a year because the color is gone, it's looking extremely dirty. I tried washing it, it's not looking nice. So if it's only going to last me a year, then why not this? It's not that this is made from some recyclable material. Even this goes in dump, and even this might go in dump. But this time I've bought like a darker color, hoping that it lasts long. Let's see. And then another Apple Watch strap that I got is this colorful one. This I just got like, I don't know why. I've not even tried it. I don't even know if it will look nice. Let's see how this is. I hope I don't have to waste this, or I'll gift it to a friend who's got like smaller, tinier hands basically. So that was my haul. July is generally a splurge month for me because it's my birthday month, and then I buy things and I justify myself ki arey birthday month hai, I can buy. Let me know what your favorite piece is, and if you have liked what you've seen so far, please give this video a big fat thumbs up. Utilizing these pieces is also an art, and I don't want to just buy things that are going to lie in my wardrobe. I have a whole styling video called Frustrated to Fabulous, where I teach people on how to multiply your dresses and wear it number of ways, make them transitional. So if you are someone who's interested to learn styling, I'm adding the 10% discount specially for my YouTube audience. Go ahead, utilize that discount. That's it. Don't buy mindlessly. Just see, appreciate the things that you see in all these hauls, but don't buy if it doesn't speak to you, doesn't speak to your personal style, and if it's not you. That's it. Comment below what was your favorite item. Share this video, subscribe to this channel so I'm motivated to create more content. And till I see you next time, bye bye.